In this video, we'll answer a business question about a company that sells action cameras and unmanned aerial vehicle drones. We want to know the 4 geographic regions where the company currently sells its products. We'll build a simple map-like diagram, identify each region, and then do a short recap at the end. Step 1 is to visualize how the company divides the world. We'll draw a simple block map. Think of this as a business dashboard map. Left for the Americas, middle for Europe and Africa, and right for Asia and the Pacific. Step 2 is to identify the first 2 regions. The first region is North America. This includes countries like the United States and Canada. The second region is Europe-Africa, a big block combining Europe and Africa into one market. Step 3 is to look at the rest of the globe. The third region is Asia-Pacific. This includes countries like Japan and China, and also Australia and nearby islands. The fourth region is Latin America, which includes Mexico, Central America, and South America. Now, let's explain why there are exactly 4 regions. In many business simulations, the world is grouped into 4 big blocks. This makes shipping and marketing easier to manage. Every action camera or drone sold is recorded in exactly one of these 4 categories. Let's quickly cycle through the regions again to lock them in. North America, Europe-Africa, Asia-Pacific, Latin America. Recap time. The company sells action cameras and unmanned aerial vehicle drones in exactly 4 geographic regions. North America, Europe-Africa, Asia-Pacific, Latin America. If you remember these 4 blocks, you can quickly interpret any sales report for this company. That's it. Thanks for learning with Math GPT. Remember, 4 regions, 1 clear list: North America, Europe-Africa, Asia-Pacific, and Latin America.